Everyone has a story, they said. Anyone can write, they said. But they've never tried to write a great book. People make it sound as easy as signing an autograph. But in the beginning, I couldn't even figure out how to find the time to write. Then I discovered Writing Lessons from the Front, a streaming video course available online. I watch the videos at my own convenience and learn at my own pace. Angela Hahn, who has published over 185 books so far, has taught me how to plot any kind of story, how to develop characters, and so much more. Lots of other people have written books about writing, but so many are filled with Cinderella Talk. I need nuts and bolts instruction. Do this, not that. That's Angela Hunt's approach, and nobody does it better. Now, each lesson comes with a printable copy of the lesson and worksheets, so I can study the material offline and keep it handy while I'm writing. So don't just write a book. Go to writinglessonsfromthefront.com, download the free introduction, and learn how to write a great book.